It was in English 101, one of the very first courses that I took in college after over a decade since I had failed and dropped out before, that I was given an identity essay for an assignment. And although it was overwhelming and exposing, I really found value in that assignment to analyze myself and really learn what my identity was. And one thing that was clear about my identity is that I never believed in myself for so many years. And I didn't ever believe that I could be successful in school. And for a while I was content, thinking that my accomplishments were through raising my children and supporting my husband in his career. And don't get me wrong, those roles as a mother and a wife are something that I will always cherish. But I still had a desire to find something that I could accomplish and be proud of myself for. It was in the summer of 2021 when I finally re-enrolled in school. My kids were becoming more independent, my husband was deployed, and it was so apparent that I needed something else for myself. And it was scary and it was overwhelming, not even knowing what was the first step to take after so long. And I was so eager about it, but I was also left so uncertain, because who was to say that the second go-around wouldn't also be a waste of time? But thanks to my family and all of their encouragement and support, I was able to prove to myself that I could reach a way higher potential than I ever thought possible. And I hadn't given myself credit for so many years. Another thing that was so amazing about my journey in college was being able to set an example for my daughter, who also had so many struggles in school. And I was transparent and I let her see the struggles because I wanted her to understand it's okay to be intimidated and it's okay to make mistakes. And we both learned that it was once you step out of your comfort zone that your eyes are opened to a greater potential. So together, we face those struggles, and then we accomplish far more than either of us thought possible for ourselves. So I stand here before you today, holding this diploma, and I want to thank everyone who supported me through this and encouraged me to take that first step. And I also want to remind anyone out there who's listening that it's never too late to dig deeper into your identity, to find that greater potential the way I was allowed to do. So I am so grateful for this chapter, and I am so eager to see what the next one holds for me. Thank you.